We're going to begin the second half of your news hour talking about the latest on the COVID-19 pandemic. Take a look up at your screen. There's some good news here. 0 deaths in South Carolina. However, there were 116 new cases of the virus. That includes both confirmed and probable cases. Fewer people, as we know now, are getting tested, though. The percent positive is 3.8%. President Biden is detailing how his administration will convince more people to get the vaccine against COVID-19 after failing to reach his goal of having 70% of American adults at least partially vaccinated by July 4th. And we know in South Carolina, we're still at about 51% of our population not vaccinated.
Natalie Brand reports now from D.C.
Let's finish the job.
President Biden outlined a new campaign to get more Americans vaccinated after falling short of his July 4th goal.
Do it now, for yourself and the people you care about, for your neighborhood, for your country. It sounds corny, but it's a patriotic thing to do.
The president says the plan will focus on targeted community-by-community outreach, and it comes as the Delta variant is spreading nationwide.
We're sending out more mobile clinic units out there to help people at special events, summer festivals, sporting events, as well as places of worship wherever we can find people gathered.
The White House will also step up efforts to get vaccines to more primary care doctors and pediatricians to help encourage young Americans to get the shot. The renewed push comes as COVID cases have risen by double digits in some parts of the country, and there are new concerns about cases rising even more after the 4th of July holiday.
The fact that families and friends were together this weekend does pose a risk, an increased risk for transmitting the COVID virus because our pandemic's not over.
In Springfield, Missouri, the number of hospitalized coronavirus patients jumped nearly 27% in the past few days. State health officials say they are experiencing a temporary ventilator shortage. And in Arkansas, Wyoming, and Nevada, states where full vaccination rates are below 50%, cases are also rising. In Los Angeles County, health experts are concerned about an increase in COVID cases and hospitalizations among Black residents, who officials say are less likely to be vaccinated. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Washington.